places.
We've called Ashiwaju a drug lord, and so many unprintable names we've spoken about with regards to candidates.
Well, that's not true. I mean, if you can tell me the unprintable names that are said, please say it here. That is false. I have not used any unprintable names.
Drug lord, a pleasant name. Is that something you can?
No. Please, can I respond to that? Drug lord is not an unprintable name. If you are a drug lord, first and foremost, if you are a thief, it is not libel to say you are a thief. How am I going to tell you that if you are a thief, I'll come and meet you and say, oh, you are a nice person who diplomatically likes to take things that do not belong to you? No, you are a thief. But all that you do is a non-drug lord. It's not an unprintable one. I've got facts to back it up. I've got documents to back it up. I spent my money. I went to Chicago. I went to the court. I got the certified two copies. All that is a drug lord. That is not an unprintable name. An issue. Look at what happened in Colombia. They had a president who had a non-drug lord background. It affected their country.
Yesterday, I did a video on Tinubu to answer a simple question. Just yes or no. Are you a drug lord? Because
you work in the media DSS, is that correct?
No, my lord. I work in cyberspace monitoring unit.
Are you aware that the 2019 trial of the defendants by the DSS is on the official website of the DSS?
I am not aware of that, my lord.
That the defendants' phones have been with the DSS since 2019.
My lord, I do not know anything about it.
I put it to you that there is an order of court mandating the DSS to release the defendant's 3 phones to him since 2019, and you have failed and refused to release the said phones to him.
My lord, I do not know anything about it.
Are you aware that there is a judgment and a ruling in that regard?
No, my lord.
Can you tell this honorable court where the DSS keep the phones, seized phones of detainees?
No, I don't know.
Yes, my lord, sir. On the 19th to 24, your lordship, sir. 19th day of February 2024, my lord, sir. On Monday, the 19th day of February 2024. 2024, my lord, sir. Yes, my lord, sir. Per Honorable Justice Emeka Nwite, my lord, sir. The Monday, yes, my lord. My lord, may I respectfully apply to tender from the bar the orders of this court made by Honorable Justice Emeka Nwite mandating the DSS to release the phones of the defendants since 2024. The certified true copy of the said order is here with me, Your Lordship, sir. Thank you, Your Lordship, sir. We have given them a copy of the order already, Your Lordship, sir. When was the video uploaded? On the internet. When was it uploaded on the internet?
I do not know when the video was uploaded. I know when the video was uploaded.
Please, goodness. It's not your place to ask questions you are not asked, my lord. You restrict yourself to the questions you are asked.
I do not know when the video.
So it's fine, just answer. It's okay. My lord, I said, when was the video uploaded? He said he does not know when it was uploaded. When was this video made?
I do not know when the video was made.
Yes. The question, Your Lordship, is who recorded the said video?
I don't know who recorded the video.
Where in Brazil was that video allegedly made?
I do not know where the video was made.
You did not interview the president regarding this video.
No, my lord.
You did not take any statements from the president confirming if he was a person in that video or not.
I did not take personal statements from the president, my lord.
You do not have before this court any complaints by the president over any defamatory matter. You do not. Is that correct?
No, it's not.
As a cyber security, as a cyber expert, yes, a specialist in screenshotting pictures and videos, are you aware of the current state of AI videos, artificial intelligence videos, that is now very popular and rampant? Are you aware?
My Lord, firstly, I did not state that I am a cybersecurity expert in my testimony the last time. Secondly, AI videos are publicly known. Everybody knows about AI videos, so I know about AI videos.
That's okay. That's okay. Is it correct to say that the service conducts security checks and background check on political appointees like ministers, ambassadors in this country?
My Lord, that is not my schedule. I cannot speak on it.
My Lord, sir, unfortunately, he did not answer my question. He answered the question that appealed to him, Your Lordship, sir. My Lord, that is quite very wrong. The question he answered was not my question. I did not ask him of his schedule, Your Lordship, sir. I said, is he aware that the service he works for about 10 years now, is involved in screening? He's asking me what happens in my house, and I said, I'm not aware. I said, is he aware, sir, that the service he works for, that pays his salary, he goes to every day, whether he's aware that he conducts security and screening for political appointees? It's public knowledge, Your Lordship, sir. That's the question I asked him. He did not answer. Are you aware or not? Testified before this court that you monitor events on the social media 24/7. Is that correct?
True, my Lord.
I said one of the most popular social media personalities in Nigeria today is a man that has just been appointed an ambassador, Reno Omokri. Do you know him?
Yes, my Lord.
Are you aware of the videos of Reno Omokri where he alleged and insists up to this moment that the president is a drug baron, an international drug baron? Are you aware of those videos on social media?
I'm not aware, my Lord.
Charged by the defense, be rejected by this court and same be marked accordingly. Should be marked rejected. If I may just read that certificate, sir. This is what Monica River said. I also verify as follows that the documents contained the statement were produced by the computer during a period over which the computer was used regularly to store or process information for the purposes of any activities regularly carried on over the period. That over that period, there was regularly supplied to the computer all the conditions listed in section 84. Where is Monica Ayuba? Abi Monica Lewinsky? I want your lordship, with every sense of responsibility, to reject this video. I thank your lordship. Also to have it so marked so that it will not be smuggled again. Thank you, sir.
With due respect, sir, the submission of the next, sir, with due respect, is new learning to me, sir. And also section 24, 6.7, your lordship, sir. Section 24 does not lay the requirement, sir, that only the maker of the document can tender it, your lordship, sir. It only stipulates conditions, my lord, sir.
Do state conditions to be satisfied, among which the maker of such document sought to be tendered is not one of the conditions. It is relevant to the proceeding as Peter given and accepted under cross-examination and answered, or he answered in cross-examination of the said Omokri. I admit the document relevancy and on the ground that it has satisfied the conditions under section 84 of the Evidence Act. Multiply and certificate of compliance are hereby admitted in evidence and
It's called Ashiwaju, a drug lord, and so many unprintable names you've spoken about with regards to candidates.
Well, that's not true. I mean, if you can tell me the unprintable names that I've said, please say it here. That is false. I've not used any unprintable names.
Drug lord, a pleasant name. Is that something you can?
No. Please, can I respond to that? Drug lord is not an unprintable name. If you are a drug lord, first and foremost, if you are a thief, it is not libel to say you are a thief. How am I going to tell you that if you are a thief, I'll come and meet you and say, oh, you are a nice person who diplomatically likes to take things that do not belong to you? No, you are a thief. But all that Tinubu is a non-drug lord. It's not an unprintable one. I've got facts to back it up. I've got documents to back it up. I spent my money. I went to Chicago. I went to the court. I got the certified two copies. All I think is a drug lord. That is not an unprintable name. The issue, look at what happened in Colombia. They had a president who had a non-drug lord background. It affected their country.
Yesterday, I did a video calling on Tinubu to answer a simple question. Just yes or no. Are you a drug lord? Because